Hello classmate and Mr. John, my name is Grace Solis. Today we're gonna look how to make a rice with chicken.
Ah, caray, eso sí me interesa, ¿eh?
Today we're gonna make a delicious rice with chicken dish with a refreshing lemonade. To begin, here I have all the ingredients. Rice, red chicken, diced carrots, green beans, corn, peas, short chili, short onion, and celery. We are gonna add a little oil to the pan and salt to the rice. When it is nice and loose, we are gonna add the chilies and the onion and keep stirring. Then we're gonna add the chicken, the carrots, the green beans, the celery, saffron to give it that yellow color, and bouillon cubes. We mix everything together and add water where we cook the chicken. We let it cook. When the rice is almost dry, we are gonna add the corn and the peas.
Esta información vale millones.
How to make a lemonade. To make a lemonade, we have water, lemon juice, sugar, and vanilla. To the water, we add the lemon juice, the sugar, and a splash of vanilla. Vanilla is optional. It's really like adding to the lemonade. When it's ready, we serve it with lots of ice. Right now we have a delicious lunch, rice with chicken and a delicious lemonade. We will to trying it. Everything was delicious. Everyone would enjoy trying it. We'll see you another day in Grace's Kitchen. Goodbye.
I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.